how to control a woman's mind with implanted commands. If you are an older guy, fractionation. Like always, I have to warn you, if you got any moral problems with controlling a woman's mind or making her emotional addicted to you, this video is not for you. If you are on the other hand interested in being able to use mind control on a woman and learn especially in this video to implant commands into her brain to make her do what you want, for example love you, then you are in the right place, sir. But you have to promise me one thing, you have to promise me to never use the stuff you are going to learn against women. Yes, it sounds hard, but these tricks and techniques are so powerful that using them in the wrong way could hurt a woman. So please use them responsibly. With mind control and especially the stuff you're gonna learn today, you will be able to implant thoughts in a woman's brain that will make her desire you in a very strong way. She will be addicted to you in an extreme way. The tricky thing when it comes to implementing a woman a command is that you never implement her a command in a direct way. If you're using an implemented command, you will be able to not tell her what to do directly but instead giving her something that will make her subconscious mind make command herself. Because you are going to trigger her subconscious mind and not her conscious mind, she will not be able to recognize what you would like to do. Because you cannot defend against something you cannot see. See an implemented command as a suggestion, she could not refuse. It is a suggestion that directly hits her subconscious mind. Before we start with an example, make sure to check out the link in the description to get the book about this topic and also extreme helpful emails in the future. So let us start. Tell her something like, I can't tell you for sure, it would be a good idea that we meet next Tuesday, but I would not. In the second part of the sentence is where the magic happens. The but I would not makes the difference. It makes it literally impossible to resist the command, because there was no command. You never instructed her to do anything. That's why she cannot say no to the instruction. I hope you understand the point of this abrogated the defense mechanisms in the female mind. You can easily bypass them by not actually giving her something to defend from.